Good morning, students. Today we have discussed the chapter 1 from supplementary, How the Camel Got His Hump, written by Rudyard Kipling. It was an average version of the story. The story is very much interesting and I hope you will enjoy the story. The story begins that in the beginning of the when the world was new, animals were just beginning to work for men. That means when the world had just begun, all the animals were working for the human. So everywhere, every animals were busy to work for the animal. In the forest, in the middle of the forest, there was a camel who lived in a hot desert. But he did not work. He was so much idle and lazy. He only ate some sticks, thorns, and prickles, but do nothing. And always, whenever he spoke to anybody, and he always said only the word hump. Just the word hump he repeatedly said, and don't do anything to others. So one day, a horse and dog and horse, dog, ox, every animal come to him and force him to do something for work as they do. But the only word is hum, he was saying, and do nothing for them. So the man was and the every animal, each and every animal complained against the camel to the man, and man told the other animal that he that camel should live alone in the forest, and as camel did not do anything, so in his part of work could do others animals. So on hearing that, every animal were very much angry because because other animal get the more pressure to work only. So all the animals were made a meeting, and they were very much angry, and they decide that they should do something to punish the camel. So one day, Jean, who was in charge of all the desert, rolling in the cloud of dust, and horse complained against the camel, and every animals were complaining against the camel because camel was nothing to do, and only he spent his day through the idleness. It was and every whenever he could do something, or whenever he anybody said something, he only replied the word hump. So on hearing that, Jean was called the camel, and Jean reconstructed with the camel, who said, hump. The camel beautiful back suddenly grew a hump, which was camel's hump, because he did not want any work for others. So as a punishment, Jean cursed him that if he said repeatedly the word hump, his back turned into that puffing up, and it turned into his hump. So on saying that camel the word hump, it was camel saw that his back was puffing up and turned into a big hump. On seeing that, Jane told the camel that it was very oneself work by not working, because from since worked on their jobs, but only camel did not do any work. So it was the time that he could do the job now. But how how he could do any work, because he had. So then Jin told that on that purpose he could give that harm, because on he did any kind of work, he will be able to work for now 3 days without eating, because he can live on his harm. And did not he ever say that he never did anything for anyone. And then the camel went away to join the three others animals, and from that day to this the camel always wears a hump. And we see that camel had a big hump on his back, but he has never yet caught up with these 3 days that he missed at the beginning of the world, and he has never yet learned how to behave. So it was a wonderful ending of the story and very much interesting. Now all the students, you do the comprehension check 1 2 3 4, question answer 1 2 3 4, and comprehension check to 1 2 3 4, both the 8 question answer. Now you write down and also learn. It is your homework. So from next class we will do more. Till then, goodbye.